Off the coast of Dorset, England, there is a rock formation so ancient, so perfectly shaped, that it barely seems real. This is Durdle Door, a natural limestone arch carved by the sea over tens of thousands of years, and it remains one of the most recognizable landmarks in the British Isles. The Jurassic Coast stretches for 185 kilometres along the southern coast of England, from Exmouth in Devon to Studland Bay in Dorset. In 2001, it became England's first natural UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognised for its 185 million years of geological history, visible in a single continuous stretch of coastline. Durdle Door itself is made from Portland limestone, one of the hardest rock types found along this coastline. While the softer chalk and clay cliffs around it eroded, this arch endured. The sea worked at it relentlessly, exploiting every crack and weakness until water broke clean through, creating the arch we see today. The arch stands approximately 200 metres offshore and rises to around 20 metres above sea level at its highest point. Its name is thought to derive from the Old English word thirl, meaning to pierce or bore through, a fitting description for something shaped entirely by the relentless force of water. From above, the scale of Durdle Door becomes truly apparent. The curve of the arch, the clarity of the water beneath it, turquoise in summer, deep grey in winter, and the sweeping beach that stretches east towards Lulworth Cove. It is one of those rare places that looks extraordinary from every possible angle. The beach below is privately owned, part of the Lulworth Estate, which has managed this stretch of coastline for over 400 years. Visitors descend via a steep path from the cliff tops, and on warm summer days, tens of thousands make that walk each year. But Durdle Door is not immune to time. Geologists estimate the arch could collapse within the next few thousand years, a blink in geological terms. The same forces that created it are slowly working to destroy it. Every winter storm takes its toll. What you see here, from this altitude, at this moment, is a snapshot of something still in motion. The coastline you're looking at today looks nothing like it did 10,000 years ago, and nothing like it will in 10,000 years' time. That is the quiet truth of the Jurassic Coast. It is not a monument. It is not preserved. It is alive, constantly shifting, eroding, reshaping. And Durdle Door for now stands as its most dramatic expression. If you found this interesting, there is more of Britain's extraordinary landscape to explore. Subscribe and we'll take you somewhere new.